So good afternoon all, this is Sonu, one of the mentor on BYJU'S Exam Prep. Just write in the comment section, am I audible and visible to all of you? After that we are going to start a very important series for next 7 days, right? So before starting the session, let me confirm, am I audible and visible to all of you? And after that we will just continue the topic of thermal from today, and I'll just explain each and everything in next 7 days what exactly we are going to do and what you need to do exactly if you are going to write the BARC exam. Yes, can you write in the comment section, am I audible and visible to all of you? Yes or no? Okay, great. So just let me check here, I am not getting your answer. Okay, good, great. So yes, this one is a 7-day series from 14th to 21st. I think all of you are going to write the BARC exam and your preparation for the BARC is going in a very well way, right? But what exactly we will discuss and what you need to do now in next 7 days, I'll discuss few points, right? You have to focus other than the technical thing also. So these all the things I'll discuss during the session. But yes, this is the final vote to BARC 21 mechanical special. Okay. Good afternoon. Thank you शुभदीप, परविंदर, वेरी गुड. देखिए कुछ चीजें मैं आपको बताता जा रहा हूं. यू नीड टू फोकस दीज पॉइंट, राइट? यस. इफ यू आर द न्यू ऑन द चैनल, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल just subscribe the channel so that you will get the detail of each and every lecture. It will start from 2 p.m. every day after tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow Dheeraj sir will continue with the topic of strength of material and strength of material and machine design. In the same way, Suraj sir will discuss the next topic and Onkar sir will also discuss the next topic. Yes, this is all about me, myself, Sonu Chauhan. I have 9 years of experience in GATE and ESC field. Okay, I have already cracked various exams like GATE 4 times, ISRO as a scientist 2 times, NPCL part of BARC. Okay, there's part of the same ministry in central government, right? GPSC class 2 officer and RRB. Yes, area of interest, strength of material, engineering mechanics and thermal, my dear. Okay, great. So let's start. First important point, let me tell you, when you are going to write the exam, then before the exam you have the 7 days. Just make a psychology that I am not going to make these 3 mistakes in next 7 days. Okay, and during the session you will realize yourself that these all the mistake I am making or not. जैसे सबसे पहली मिस्टेक ये है, आपको ये नहीं करनी है. You are not going to do a calculation mistake. If you will do any small calculation mistake during the today session or tomorrow session, even if you are going to write the test series, then this point must be your psychological point. दिमाग में बिठा लो, कुछ भी हो जाए, चीजें आए नहीं आए, बट ये मुझे नहीं करनी है, ठीक है? Second important thing, if you will write the answer in the comment section today, you write the answer in the test series, then in your first attempt your answer selection must be the absolutely right. Okay, and third thing you will decide, even from the today you will start these all the 3 sessions, and definitely this will be a habit, because these are the very silly mistake you will do during the exam. And third, you will make a habit during the reading of the question. You must decide that this question I am going to solve or I will have a doubt in this question. You will directly write in this comment section, correct? These are the 3 habit, और वो आपको डायरेक्टली नहीं आ जाएंगी, आपको कंटिन्यू 7 डेज इसी पे फोकस करना है. देन डेफिनेटली एट द डे ऑफ एग्जाम यू विल फील नथिंग, यू विल फील नो प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व एनी रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम और टू डिसाइड पर्टिकुलर प्रॉब्लम फॉर द सॉल्यूशन. ओके, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं टॉपिक. अगेन आई विल जस्ट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द वेरी बेसिक ऑफ द थर्मोडायनेमिक. इन द सेम चैप्टर सीरीज वी विल स्टार्ट द टॉपिक. ओके, फर्स्ट चैप्टर योर बेसिक thermodynamic, basic concept of the thermodynamic. Then again I'll start with the first question. Just first write the answer, Ankit, Parvinder. Okay, good afternoon. Yes, write the answer, like the session, my dear. जल्दी से आंसर लिखिए and just share in the group so that number of your competitor will join, and again you will get the idea कि कितने आंसर आ रहे हैं. Today I'll discuss 20 question, right? And I hope you must give the answer 17 question right out of 20. Okay, yes, what is the right answer? Take your time, you can use the calculator, no issue. but again 3.4 point must be focused in your mind. Yes, write the answer. Parvinder, what is the right answer? Limiting value of the ratio of pressure of gas at steam point and triple point are given in the example. The ideal gas temperature at the steam point will be, yes, what is the answer? Very good, Spider-Man, great. According to Spider-Man, A is the answer. It may be. According to Spider-Man, A is the answer. Correct? Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? These are few points I have just written. Okay. So when you will solve this problem, when you will solve this problem, then in this case, the ideal gas temperature of the steam point. First of all, I'll give you the answer. So temperature at the steam point must be given like this. It must be given like this. That is 273, my dear. 273.15 into P at steam point divided by P at triple point. Okay. If I write the entire value, then this value will be equal to 273.15 and this value is 1.366 something. So if I write the value, you will get the answer like this, 273.15, right? 15. But again, very carefully, just read the last line of any numerical. Spider-Man, galat hai answer. Ankit, absolutely wrong answer. Because when you calculate the answer with the concept of triple point now, then answer in the final form is in Kelvin. But again, in this question, it is asked in degree centigrade. Can you tell me the answer? What is the correct answer? Spider-Man, change your answer. Parvinder, change your answer. Ankit, yes, change your answer. So always when it is a numerical problem, then focus on the last line of the question specifically. Last line जो आपने लिखी है उस पे जरूर फोकस करना, otherwise you are going to do a mistake in the question. Definitely chances हैं. Okay? Yes, Ankit, Parvinder, very good. Yes, Spider-Man, very good. V is the correct answer. A is not a correct answer. These few mistakes you have to minimize, right? If you are going to prepare for the BARC exam. और ये 7 दिन ही है. In next 7 days में you need not to study much more or other than the syllabus what exactly you have studied. Maximum time आपको जहां से जैसे मिले Spider-Man, do the practice only, solve the number of question only and just start to get few point from your mistakes. ये मुझे पता चल गया हर न्यूमेरिकल क्वेश्चन में लास्ट लाइन मुझे बहुत जरूर पढ़नी है. यस, नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट और नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. यस, दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. An engine cylinder has the piston area, again because you know very well maximum number of numerical will be there in the BARC exam. ठीक है, in the BARC exam maximum numerical problem will be there. That is the reason I have put maximum numerical problem. Okay, correct. This is completely based on the previous experience, right? ये maximum इसमें numerical ही आएंगे. ठीक है, yes. Okay. Yes, Spider-Man, very good, great. If you are doing preparation with your job, then definitely you are a real engineer. क्योंकि जॉब के बाद भी अगर फिर से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हो तो उसके लिए जिगर चाहिए, माय डियर Spider-Man. Yes, then you are the real engineer. मतलब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है बाकी नहीं है, but I am talking about after the job. Yes. Parvinder, what is the right answer? Spider-Man, yes, according to Parvinder sir, B4 Bombay is the right answer. Anyone else? You are 12 here. I want at least 11 answer in the comment section. And I have just written during, because selection of the question at the time of the BARC exam is the very important. That which question I have to solve and which question I have to skip. ये point most important point है BARC का, right? अगर कहीं भी आप इन चीजों में फंस गए then definitely you are going to do a mistake. Yes, Spider-Man, answer. Calculator is allowed so that you can use the calculator. Ankit, what is the answer? ये बाकी चंपक इतने आंसर क्यों नहीं लिख रहे हैं? If you are not getting the answer, at least write in the session that need to explanation. Need to explain this question. You can directly write only this term. Because I'll get कि you have decided only this thing that this question I am not going to solve. If the question like this occur in the exam, this question I'll skip. Okay, so yes, very good Parvinder. Let me discuss this question. For next 1.5 hours I'll discuss approximate 20 quality question of basic as well as applied thermodynamics. ठीक है, So again, according to the question, it is given like this. If not a single process is given to you to us, then definitely it is clear from the question that this is the answer related to the diagram. So again, in this problem, this is the initial point, that is 1, and final point it is expanded like this, that is 2, my dear. This is the final point, that is 2. Yeah, you are very lazy. इतने lazy कैसे हो सकते हो? Write the answer, Ankit. Where are you? And if I'll draw the PV diagram, then according to question, this is the initial pressure, my dear, somewhere here, and final pressure is somewhere here like this, 0.15, and it is represented by a straight line. It is given by the question. Sorry, it is up to this point, 1 to 2. So this value is 15 megapascal, and this value is, my dear, 0.15 megapascal according to question, Spider-Man. And this V1 and V2, nothing is given. So V1 and V2, how I'll calculate? I'll calculate the value of V2 minus V1. That is, the change of volume is simply written like this, area into stroke length of the member. So again, this value is known. If I calculate the area of this one, this is the trapezoidal. And I know very well what is the area of trapezoidal. The area of trapezoidal is nothing but work done for a reversible process. And this can be written like this, that is P1 plus of P2 divided by 2, and this is change of volume, that is V2 minus of V1. I am damn sure that when you will calculate this value, this numerical portion, you will get V4 Bombay is the answer. ठीक है, B4 Bombay is the answer. So at least after that, देखो चलो ये क्वेश्चन गया, but after that जो मैंने next star point लिखा है, that star point must be clear to all कि if during the reading of question you are not going to solve this question, just you need to write in the comment section, that only write this comment that explain, I'll get the idea. You are not going to solve this question, you have skipped this question, right? Okay, next question. Very easy question, but again these are very, very conceptual question. I want the answer from all of you in this one. Write the answer in comment section. Just like the session, my dear, and after that write the answer. Spider-Man, this is the answer for question number 3 or question number 2. This is the answer of question number 3 or question number 2. This question is related to first law of thermodynamics. So few important question I have discussed from first chapter, that is the basic concept of thermodynamics. In the basic concept of thermodynamics, I have related with the work done. I have discussed the question related to work done. I have also related to the question related to zeroth law. Yes, Parvinder. According to Parvinder, A is the answer. बाकी लोगों के आंसर क्यों नहीं आ रहे? Again, we are going to discuss the BARC series, my dear. BARC series, and I know you are going to write the absolutely right answer. Very good. Okay. In this operation, what is the work done? Heat supply. Why the battery? This is the question. Yes. In case of the power failure, battery is used to run a fan of this one. Rating of this one for the 10 minutes. Then what is the work done? Supply by this. What is the heat supply? Shivam Tiwari. Very good. According to you, if I just replace this entire problem with a real life system, like this one is the battery, and battery is completely used to run a motor, and this is used to run a fan. Okay. So when electrical supply, because if the question is asked to you, then this is the battery, then my dear you will consider that this is a system, and anything external to the system is the boundary, or sorry, surrounding. So this is the system, and this one is your battery. Okay, battery. So what is the power required? Power required to run the fan is 300 into 10 into 60. So answer is 180 kilojoule. This is okay, but again you need to decide that your battery, your electrical wire, these all the thing will supply the work or will supply the heat. It's a very important point. आपको ध्यान में रखना है. गेट में कई बार क्वेश्चन आया है. ओमकार माय डियर, गेट में बहुत बार क्वेश्चन आया है. योर इलेक्ट्रिकल सप्लाई, योर इलेक्ट्रिकल वायर और योर बैटरी ऑलवेज सप्लाई द वर्क, नॉट हीट. ठीक है. सो इन दिस केस, this amount of the work for the fan will be minus But for the battery, it will be the plus. You can say this battery is going to supply the work. That is the reason this is absolutely plus. So work done by the battery is plus, and heat supply, yes, heat supply in the battery is 0. Okay, so again, because there is no thermal exchange of energy, that is the reason you will write. Again, at the same time, if the question will be asked what is the value of, what is the value of work done required for the pump, what is the right answer? अगर यही क्वेश्चन पंप से रिप्लेस हो जाए, स्पाइडरमैन आंसर लिखना है, ओमकार आंसर लिखना है, रुकना नहीं है माय डियर शिवम. इफ द सेम क्वेश्चन आई विल रिप्लेस व्हाट इज द वर्क for the pump, what is the heat transfer for the pump, what is the right answer at that time? Just like the session. And again, let me discuss one more important point. Yes, what is the right answer? System, and water is filled like this. Omkar, I am not getting your answer. Shivam, I am not getting your answer. If the same question is repeated for the fan, and this one is the electrical wire like this, and this one is the battery like this, my dear. Okay, yes, very good. Yes, at that time you will select answer is equal to this V for Bombay. But again, if this one is the only system, but again, if you need to require that what is the work done for the surrounding, then again answer will be 1A, because work done by the fan to the surrounding. So if it is asked what is why the fan, then A is the answer. If it is asked on the work, then definitely B is the answer. If the same question will be asked, then the same energy is used to heat a insulated system like this, then out of all the option, what is the right one? The same question is repeated. Right now it is not using to run the fan. It is not used to run the fan. Right now the battery is used to run the heater, and heater is used to heat the water. Then the same question is asked, what is the same answer for this particular system? इस system के लिए क्या answer आएगा? Heat will be supplied to the system, or heat transfer will be 0. Work will be supplied to the system, or work transfer will be 0. Very important question. Yes, बहुत important question है. जल्दी से आंसर लिख दो. What is the right answer? I have just changed the question. What is the right answer? Omkar, Shivam, Spiderman, what is the right answer for second question? This one is the system. Then what is the heat transfer and work transfer for the system? If I'll change, what is the work transfer in this case and what is the heat transfer in this case, what answer you will select? Even numerical value are same. Very good. Great Parvinder. Okay, good. For this system, what will be the work done and what will be the heat? You need to write the answer. Okay, you need to write the answer. Correct. Parvinder ने देखो आंसर दिया है कि सर if this will be the question now, then at that time heat transfer will be positive according to Parvinder and work done will be 0. And I am happy to say this point that this answer is absolutely wrong. Absolutely wrong. Reason? For this system, the question is to ask, if it is the insulated member, my dear, if the system is insulated, then how can you say that heat transfer will take place? अब सोच के तो देखो, system already insulated है and you say, sir, heat transfer will take place. No, this is an electrical wire and electrical wire will always supply the electrical work to the system. And that electrical work will be converted into an internal energy, and that internal energy will increase the temperature of the system. Okay? So if the system is given like a heating system and heat is supplied from the heater or a heating wire or a resistor, then at that time V for Bombay is the answer. उसके टाइम में yes V for Bombay है, because electrical work is supplied in the form of input, and because entire system is insulated, so there is no heat transfer. This work input will convert in the form of increasing the internal energy. That is the reason V for Bombay will be the answer. नहीं समझ पाए आप लोग? नहीं समझ पाए? Have you got my point or not? Simple, I have just given to you this point that if battery is used to run a fan, is used to heat the water or any gas or system, even electrical wire is used to heat, that is not supplying heat, that is supplying work. Are you getting my point? नहीं समझ रहे हो? जब आपने थर्मोडायनेमिक का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़ा था कि व्हाट इज द थर्मोडायनेमिक वर्क, सो इन दिस रीजन दैट सप्लाई ऑफ एनर्जी फ्रॉम द बैटरी टिल मोटर. यार भूल चुके हो क्या आप लोग? चंपक, यू ऑल आर द चंपक एंड गजोदर. सप्लाई ऑफ एनर्जी फ्रॉम बैटरी टिल पंप टिल मोटर इज सिंपल नॉन एज इलेक्ट्रिकल वर्क. जस्ट इतना मुझे बता दो, हैव यू रिटन दिस पॉइंट और नॉट? अभी व्हाट डू यू से? स्पाइडरमैन अभिलाष, व्हाट डू यू से? ओमकार, गलती पता चली? यस और नो? इस मिस्टेक को कहीं हमको लिखने की जरूरत है. व्हेन यू विल राइट आफ्टर दिस, then this one will be known as mechanical work. When you will make this entire as a system, then total work done will be zero. So between motor and battery there are electrical heater, there are electrical wire. Then supply of energy from the electrical wire through the electrical wire, this is nothing but, if you will not count the irreversibility is the different thing. If you will count the only reversible process, then this change of energy from the battery end till motor end is the flow of electron, and flow of electron is nothing but portion of electrical work. Now my dear, is it clear? Very good. Yes, शिवम त्रिपाठी, क्लियर हुआ? वेरी गुड स्पाइडरमैन, ग्रेट. जैसे अगर क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया है, लाइक द सेशन, उसके बाद आगे बढ़ जाओ. अगेन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 related to first law of thermodynamic. Write the question number 4 related to first law of thermodynamic. Next, for next 1.5 or 2 hour, be present with mental, with mind and heart also. दिल लेके बैठना आप लोग. Yes, write the answer. If you will not able to feel the exact subject or exact topic, then definitely you will feel the problem to numerical solution. Okay? Yes. शिवम, आपने, मुझे नहीं पता आपने क्वेश्चन मार्क लिखा है और आपको समझ आ गया, शायद समझ आ गया शिवम के अकॉर्डिंग. यस, वेरी गुड. सो either you can write E for explanation or you start to fight for the question. 3 important point I have also given to you in the starting of the session. We are going to discuss the BARC, that after 7 days or 8 days, if you are going to write the BARC exam, then 3 important point you need to focus. What are these 3 points? First important, till that write the answer. First point, during reading the question you have to decide I am going to solve this question or I am going to skip this question. अगर क्वेश्चन पढ़ के आ जाए कि ये क्वेश्चन तो कुछ है नहीं, तो समझ जाओ you will solve the question, otherwise skip that question in the first attempt. This is the first important point I'll given in the starting of the topic. Very good. C is the answer according to Parvinder, according to Omkar. I am quite happy. Yeah, you are 20 here, but again you are not able to write the answer. I want at least 70 to 18 answer. Yeah, Spider-Man, very good. 4C, absolutely right. Great. Anyone else? Good. If you will read this question, then you will get the idea, sir. This is the question purely related to a cycle. What is the meaning of cycle in the adiabatic? Because it is written that system return to a original state. अगर system जब कभी original state में लौट के आ जाएगा, तब system का आंसर सिर्फ and सिर्फ cycle होगी. This is purely related to a cycle. When initial and final point will be the same, my dear, then definitely it's a question of a cycle. Very good, Shivam. I am quite happy. So again, it will start from here and it will return into this condition. There are 2 processes, A and B. And what are the valid formulas for the cycle? This, for the cycle, it must be like this. This for the cycle will be valid like this. We have written now, because change of internal energy will be the same, right? This is A, this one is B. What A means, I'll say adiabatic process. What is the heat transfer in adiabatic? 0. What is the heat transfer? Or you can, चलो जाने दो, इसका एक बड़ा सिंपल सा मैं फंडा बताऊं. Don't apply any formula. Without knowing the formula, write the answer, right? जाने दो इसको. See, what is the work done in a process? This is 6000 and this is on the system. This is minus 6000 is the work done. Okay, what is the total heat supply to the system? Total heat supply to the system is 2000 and total heat is supplied to the system. You will take this point as a plus. So total heat supply in the system or total heat interaction in the system is 2000 plus. Apply Joule's law. If total heat transfer is 2000, total work transfer must be 2000. If this one is plus 2000, then work transfer must be 2000 plus. So total work transfer must be 2000 plus. But in first process, this is minus 600. Minus 600. So what will be the work done in second process? So that total must be plus 2000. Answer. आ गया, कुछ नहीं करना था. You need not to write a single line. But again, you need to remind these all the points that for the cycle, according to Joule's law, all the energy interaction same. I mean heat and work transfer are same. And second, there is no heat transfer in adiabatic process. Like the session, बहुत important question था. Maximum of you will take the answer in a wrong way of question number 4. Reason, you try to solve this question with the help of process. Champak. Yes. Try to solve this question. I think I'll say one of the easiest question of this session, and definitely these type of question I have just written in this PPT purposely. Reason, all the question in the BARC exam, not like very difficult question. Few questions are very easy question. So you need to select that these type of question I am going to solve first. Right? Yes. Praveen, Parvinder, what is the right answer, my dear? What is the right answer, Praveen and Parvinder? Yes. Very good. Shivam, very good. Question number 5, answer you say, sir, C is the answer. According to Parvinder, she is the answer. Yes. Anyone else? Anyone else? This is completely Bout series of work. And again, write the answer according to Parvinder. So C is the answer. Anyone else? Okay. 175, Spider-Man. Very good. Okay. Area of the trapezoidal is the answer. Yes. This is again based on a simple star point where we have written that work done of a reversible cycle is the area of the closed cycle is simple. Area of closed cycle. So again, this question I have only written so that you will decide that these type of question are not going to skip. Sir, number are not clear from the cycle. Number. This number is 500. Okay. This one, let me write. This one is 500, my dear. This one is 800 and this one is 300. Sorry, अगर नहीं दिख रहा है. This one is 0.1 and this one is 0.6. Okay. Okay, okay. ठीक है, ठीक है. शायद आपको मिल गया होगा. And again, if you will calculate the area of this one now, you will get the answer. So I think I need not to solve this question. You have just calculated the answer. I need not to discuss this question in very detail, right? 500 divided by 2 into 0.5. Absolutely right. Very good. Absolutely right in answer. C for Chennai is absolutely right. Yes. Great, Omkar. Don't feel that BARC will not ask the theoretical or conceptual question. 15 to 20% question you will see the question like this. And again, you are not going to escape. You are not going to escape the question like this. Conceptual, theoretical question you are not going to escape in BARC exam. Because if you will skip these questions now, then definitely you are lagging somewhere, right? Reason, I am going to tell you. Numerical will take so much of time, but these questions you need to read and write the answer only, right? Yes. Shivam Tiwari, what is the right answer? Omkar, what is the right answer? Parvinder, what is the right answer? For the GATE exam as well as for the BARC exam, you are not going to skip these type of question, right? Even in the GATE exam, these question are 1 marks question. So this is up to you. अगर नहीं आता you can skip, but again BARC में अगर आप ये skip करने आ रहे हो, then definitely you will be in trap. Yes. Because you all are the mechanical engineers, and the focus of mechanical engineers is only to solve the numerical, because you all are the Champak and Gajodhar. Okay, yes. According to Parvinder, sir, A is the answer, maybe. According to Omkar, sir, D is the answer. Yes. According to Parvinder, A and D both are the answer. Okay. Yeah, sorry. This one is more. This is not less. This one is more. D is more. By mistake I have written. Okay. D is more. A gas is heated at constant pressure. The percentage of energy supplied to the system that will convert into the internal energy will be more in which case, right? A simple important point we need to write, even it is a purely theoretical, but number of concept will be used. Let me write here, what is the value of heat transfer in isobaric process? That is simple, written in the term of enthalpy now, in the term of enthalpy. And if it is the problem of an ideal gas, then definitely the change of enthalpy can be written like this, mCp dt, change of temperature, and change of temperature will define the change of internal energy. Okay, change of temperature will define the change of internal energy. If I write the value of this, that is written like this, If I again substitute the value, then M and R is okay. So if I write this value will be equal to 1 minus of 1 by gamma, and this is dt. So if you want this value as a more, this value is more because same heat supply in the isobaric you have, right? So again, if I'll solve this entire problem, then del Q in isobaric process into 1 minus 1 upon gamma divided by MR, that is equal to dt. So can you find the answer? If you will have higher value of gamma, you will have higher value of change of temperature. So if you will have higher value of change of temperature, answer A for Ahmedabad is absolutely right. Okay, great. Very, very important question. Most important question. These type of question are confusing question. If you are not damn sure in these type of question, right, then don't try these type of question. It will be better to skip these question, right? Because if you will solve this question now, you will get the number of answer, and maximum number of answer are absolutely right you feel. Because आपको in the exam, your focus is not to select the right answer. Your focus is only to match an option. You all are the Champak, I know very well. Shivam, what do you say? Omkar, if one option from any calculation is matched, then blindly you will take the answer. What is the right answer? The efficiency for the maximum work done. Maximum work done. Yes. Kumar, what do you say? Yes. According to Kumar, sir, question number 7, answer is V for Bombay. Maybe. Yes. Sorry, Parvinder. According to Parvinder, sir, V for Bombay is the answer. Anyone else? Spider-Man, sir, C is the answer. Even you can select all the answer, because few of you will get B is the answer, few of you can get C is the answer, even D is the answer you can also get, and option is only one absolutely right. Shivam, very good. According to Shivam, it's V is the answer. Correct? Yes. Let me tell you, when you will write the maximum efficiency now, that is equal to 1 minus T lower upon T higher. Okay, T lower upon T higher. So this is the efficiency of Carnot cycle. This is also efficiency of source and sink when these are the infinite temperature source and sink, right? Means you take any amount of heat, source and sink temperature is not going to change, but this is written in very bold words, right? that finite source and sink are there. Finite means temperature of the source during the heat rejection is changing, temperature of sink is also changing. So when you will draw the heat engine for this problem now, then at that time you will feel like this, that this is the heat supply work done and this one is the T2 temperature like this. Then the final temperature will be the T final and this final temperature will be the T final also, and at that time heat interaction will be closed. If heat interaction will be closed, then answer will be changed. These answer will not be valid right now. Okay, so in this case answer will be something like this, that is T lower divided by T higher. Okay, so if you are in hurry and if you will just tick this answer, you will select this answer. If you are again in hurry, you will calculate only this answer, you will not subtract by 1, then you will get this answer. And in the same way, if you will calculate this and again if you are in hurry, then you will select A answer, right? Okay, very good, great. Yes. Parvinder, 519 is the maximum temperature. No. 900 is given, na? 900 is given. And this is given. 500 is not a maximum temperature. That is the mean temperature. Okay? Not maximum. That is the mean temperature between the source and sink. Or I'll say that is the final temperature at which heat supply and heat rejection will be closed. Okay? Okay. For maximum BARC. Yes, absolutely right. Question number 8. Again, I instruct these type of question should not be skipped by you during the exam. These type of question only will make the difference, my dear. Okay? Yes. You have to select which of the following statement is not correct. Which of the following statement is not correct related to the entropy. After the first law of thermodynamics, I have started the topic of entropy and second law of thermodynamics. Very good, Shivam. Very good, Parminder. Shivam, Spider-Man, yes. Yes, can you write in the answer? Great. Yes, B is the answer according to Parminder. I am quite happy. B is the answer. Great. And in this one, it include reversible process, it include irreversible process also. All the process of reversible and irreversible are included in the entropy, and you must know entropy is a point function. So again it must be valid between 2 points only, right? Very good. Surya, according to Surya sir, B is the answer. Maybe, right? Be honest with yourself. Okay. Yes, Nishad, C is the answer, sir. Simon, sorry, V is the answer. Simon, no need to. If you have written by mistake, then it is okay. अगर आपने गलत भी select किया है, तो मतलब उसको delete करने की जरूरत नहीं है, right? All are the चंपक and गजोदर. Mistake करेंगे सब. Yes. Anyone else? Rama, very good, Rama. Okay. So yes, it is absolutely right answer. See, change in entropy during the reversible process is absolutely, during adiabatic reversible process is 0. Absolutely right. Okay. Yes. Throttling is a constant enthalpy. Absolutely right. Entropy of the system always increase in the addition of heat supply. Absolutely right. Crazy view. Bilkul sahi. But again, entropy of the system always decrease with the rejection of heat. That is not absolutely right. If you want hint, if you want that particular process, I can explain here, right? Even in the heat rejection process, okay, even in the heat rejection process, irreversible heat rejection process, entropy may be increase, may be decrease, and may be constant. And this third important point of the process is that star point, where we always write that, sir, all reversible adiabatic process are isentropic, but all isentropic process need not to be reversible adiabatic process. Have you heard this? कभी ये चीजें सुनी है? If you have just heard, if you have just heard this, then definitely you will get the idea. This point is only for this statement, that entropy for irreversible heat rejection process may be decrease, may be increase, or may be constant. You can say how? Yes, this is the important line. entropy for the irreversible process is written like this, minus, and this one is plus, that is written like this, entropy generation. So this is written like this, entropy change of any system. वेरी गुड, यस सर, सुना है, बहुत अच्छी बात है, सुना है. सो दिस इज द कंप्लीट फॉर्मूला. ठीक है ना परविंदर, अगर आपने ये सुना है तो यस, दिस इज द स्टार पॉइंट. एंड लेट मी टेल यू दिस, अगर आपने सुना है देन दिस इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन ऑफ इंटरव्यू. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है थर्मल का, आपका इंटरव्यू का. ठीक है, यस, इन द बेसिक थर्मोडायनेमिक ओनली, नॉट इन अप्लाइड थर्मोडायनेमिक, इन बेसिक थर्मोडायनेमिक. सो अगेन कम बैक टू दिस नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. So if heat is rejected now, then this value will be minus, and heat is supplied, because in this way you can explain the point also. And this value, when it is the time of interview after the written test of BARC and feel, will just qualify the BARC. ऐसा मत सोचो कि सर इंटरव्यू का बाद में देखेंगे, फील करते रहो यहां से कि मुझे करना है तो हो जाएगा. यस, कम बैक टू द पॉइंट, राइट. सो अगेन दिस इज द माइनस वैल्यू, दिस इज द प्लस वैल्यू. सो टोटल वैल्यू विल बी द प्लस, माइनस और जीरो. इट विल बी डिपेंड अपॉन the numerical value of negative term, numerical value of the positive term. If entropy generation will be higher than, नहीं, अब मैं आपको नहीं पूछ रहा हूं, just tell me, are you able to feel this point or not? If heat is rejected from the system, sorry, this is not plus, this is not minus, this is plus. If heat is rejected from the system, then change of entropy from the system, change of entropy of the system will purely dependent upon the numerical value of the heat supply and heat rejection. Have you got this idea or not? Have you got this feel or not? ये say yes or no. मैं आगे बढ़ जाऊं, क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 पे चलें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, yes, great. So answer of this question is B for Bombay. B for Bombay. Yes, again you can expect one question related to diagram. Diagram means you have to convert few PV diagram into TS diagram. ठीक है ना निशत, you have to convert number of PV diagram into the TS diagram. ठीक है, ओके परविंदर, यस, राइट. आपके कमेंट थोड़े लेट आ रहे, ओके, नो इशू. यस, सो एटलीस्ट वन क्वेश्चन यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट if weightage of thermodynamic is quite higher in the topic of in the exam of BARC. Right, because maximum number of engineer will do a mistake to convert the diagram from PV to TS, because there are 4 to 5 cycles like Otto cycle, diesel cycle, Brayton cycle, Carnot cycle. आप उसको क्या याद कर लेते हो. These are all the cycles and we try to fight for these all the cycles. अब हम सब उनको याद कर लेते हैं, but again there is a proper method to convert the PV diagram into TS diagram. Okay, yes, okay. Shivam, you say sir V is the answer, C is the answer. Okay, Parvinder, C is the answer. Spider-Man, C is the answer. Maybe correct. C is the answer. Okay. Yes, Kumar, C is the answer. Surya, C is the answer. Great. I need not to discuss this thing. Okay. Remember these 2 points. Remember these 2 points. First star point you will write, sir, all the reversible adiabatic process are isentropic process, either compression or tension. ठीक है ना. Then after that if reversible process will be shifted into the irreversible now, then all the TS diagram will shifted in the rightward direction. Right, you can feel if this is the expansion process, then diagram will be shifted like this. Reason, if you will convert the reversible into irreversible, then definitely entropy will increase. Again, if you will take an example of isentropic compression, then temperature is constant, then process will be something like this. So real diagram, actual diagram will always shift into the right side of isentropic compression and isentropic expansion. C is absolutely right answer. Yes. I need to add few more figure related to PV and TS diagram, but again I have approximate 10 to 15 cycles जिनका नाम भी नहीं पता है आपको. ठीक है, मतलब अपने को भी नहीं पता है. बच्चा क्या कर रहा है, सिंपल, देयर इज अ चंपक, ही जस्ट कम एंड ड्रॉ 3 इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन. पता नहीं कौन से प्रोसेस है, 3 इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन खींच के चला गया. बट अगेन यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दीज ऑल द प्रोसेस ऑन TS डायग्राम. राइट, So there are 10 to 15 cycle. What I'll do, I'll share the entire PDF in our Telegram group, okay? And you just try these all the diagram at least. सारे के सारे diagram at least try करना है अपने को. Yes. Next. Yes. These are the formula based question. Few formulas in the GATE exam and also in the BARC, ISRO and DRDO exam, because after BARC exam fight for the DRDO exam. ठीक है? Don't wait for a single day. Fight for the DRDO exam. Okay? Yes. So there are few point that we need to memorize the formula of these point. सिर्फ formula उनके रट लो. Like in the thermodynamic relation chapter, you need to memorize formulas only, right? Like Clausius inequality law, like Joule-Thomson coefficient formula. So maximum time you will feel in the exam that either question is related to directly formula or it is not given. Reason, these type of numerical question are not asked till now. These questions are started from 2-3 years back. That is the reason, because it is the starting of question, so only formula will or chances to ask the formula based question are more. Okay? So yes, C is the answer according to Omkar. 10C is the answer according to yes Parvinder. Anyone else? अच्छा एक कमेंट लिख सकते हो कितनों को नहीं आता है क्वेश्चन, मतलब हमको पता ही नहीं चल रहा है. आई एम नॉट एबल टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो यस, अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस Clausius-Clapeyron equation, right? PT diagram. This one is simply is equal to HFG divided by T saturated into Vg minus of Vf. Okay. Again, is the specific volume is given HFG. Yes, 10C. I think all of you have just written the answer. I need not to write the answer. Very good, very good. Correct. So HFG is also given in this question. Vg minus Vf is also given in this question. You can see, right? Okay. T saturated is given in the question, 400. Correct. And HFG we need to calculate. And slope is given to us 0.1. We substitute all the value. Yes, yes, exactly. If Clausius-Clapeyron equation is valid, is known to you, then definitely you will solve the answer. Yes, yes, exactly, Parvinder. Very important question. These are the part of thermal. We generally skip. The mixture of ideal gas has following composition by mass. Mixture of ideal gas has the following composition of mass. Very, very important question, I'll say. And don't say, sir, why you are going to solve the number of numerical, because majority of the question is related to numerical part. Sir, what are the limitation of Clausius-Clapeyron equation? First limitation is only, first limitation is this is valid only for the phase change process. You can't apply this one. Correct? Yes, yes. Okay, Omkar, your answer is absolutely right. Good. Great. Anyone else? Very good. 10C. Rama, what is the answer? Parvinder, what is the right answer? Very good. Great. According to Parvinder, C is the answer. Yes, Kumar, C is the answer. I think I need not to write again. First of all, I'll write that overall. Okay. Sir, DRDO की preparation we will discuss. Don't even think about the DRDO. ठीक है? Yes. Don't even think. But first of all, write the exam, and definitely after that we will discuss each and everything. Yes. Okay, C is the answer. So again, what you will solve this? R bar divided by molecular weight of N2 and percentage of N2, that is 60, plus of R bar divided by molecular weight of A2 into percentage of 30 plus of R bar divided by molecular weight of CO2 into percentage is 0.1. If you will solve this problem, then I think you get 273.49 is the answer. That is kilojoule per kg answer. You can ask to me, sir, what exactly we have discussed here, right? First of all, I have converted universal gas constant into specific constant because this percentage is mixed, this percentage is mixed, and this one. And always all the formula not related to specific specific gas constant, all the formula like Cp of overall will be equal to M1 Cp1 plus of M2 Cp2 divided by M1 plus of M2. And what is this term? M1 divided by M1 plus M2. This is the percentage of, or I'll say percentage contribution of Cp1, and this is also the percentage contribution of second gas. Correct? In the same way, Cv you can write. In the same way, gamma you will write, but when you will write the gamma na, don't write gamma like this, that gamma 1 M1 plus of M2 gamma 2 divided by M1 plus of M2. Don't write like this because value of gamma is purely related to Cv and Cv. So when you will write the value of gamma na, then value of overall gamma will be written like this only, Cp1 plus of M2 Cp2 divided by M1 Cv1 plus of M2 Cv2 is equal to Cp overall divided by Cv overall. Solve the problem of gamma like this, don't like this. Okay, the clear point of Cp, Cv, gamma overall and R overall, I think it is clear to all. Rama, say yes or no? Surya, what do you say? Kumar, okay, great. Yes, very important question of irreversibility. Very important question of irreversibility. Correct. Yes, irreversibility. Even this question is easy, but again it will take a lot of time to solve this question. Rama, you will take a lot of time to solve this question. So again, these type of question you must decide, right? When you will see these type of question, few easy level of question, right, few theoretical question and few numerical question, but these question will take so much of time. So again, this point must be clear in mind that during the reading of the question, I'll just skip this question later. I'll discuss or solve this question later, and this question I'll solve right now, and this question I'm not going to solve anyway. Okay, yes, स्प्राइट जैसे क्लियर हुआ सर. ओके, थैंक यू. Yes, Rama, Surya, at least write in the comment section either your answer is right, you're wrong, or if you are not able to understand now, then write the answer in comment section. Okay, because if you think that side wala answer dega, then always side wala hi answer dega. Yes, two adiabatic cylinder are given. Okay, and this is a very important question related to first law of thermodynamics, related to second law of thermodynamics, and related to exergy topic only also. Okay, according to Parvinder, sir, A is the answer, right? Sir, A is the answer. Kilojoule में पूछा है ना sir? Yes, it is asked in kilojoule. Absolutely right. It is asked in kilojoule. Yes. After the solution, I'll discuss few important point. After this entire question, I'll discuss few important point. Okay, and I'll explain the physical significance of the irreversibility. Okay, physical significance of the irreversibility or losing of the capability to do the work. Okay, you can say in this way. I'm not get it. That is the important point you need to write. Nahi samajh mein aa raha, it is okay. Okay. So the point of irreversibility, this is the simple based on the formula, my dear. What exactly I need to calculate? You need to write. You need to use the calculator and give me the answer before any calculation. We have written this point. Okay. So after that, T0 is okay, but this one is the df or ds of the universe. So what will be the ds of the universe? ds of the universe will be equal to ds of the system plus of ds of the surrounding. Ds of the surrounding means you can write surrounding is 0 because surrounding is completely insulated. Okay, after that, in the system there are two part, one and this one is two part, my dear. Okay, so system you will write like this, that in this system change of entropy of 1 and change of entropy of 2, but there is nothing in part 2. So again change of entropy of 2 will be 0. So again change of system universe will be equal to change of entropy of part 1. Okay, so this is clear that this part change of energy will be exactly equal to total change of energy. Entropy, my mistake. Okay, so from here what is the total change of entropy in this question? Total change of entropy क्या हो जाएगा? Again you will apply the ideal gas equation. So again ideal gas equation can be written like this, that value will be equal to, you will write the equation in the form of temperature and volume, my dear. So again in this case this will equal to Cv T2 by T1 and plus of M R ln V2 by V1. So if I solve this question, then again Cv R, these all are the term, but again T1 and T2 are same. In expansion or free expansion process. So value will be equal to Mr ln V2 by V1. Mr will be equal to P1 V1 upon T1 and ln V2 means after the expansion what is the volume of first part. So you will write, sir, it will be a 10 V4 6. Substitute the value of P1 V1 and T1, and again what is the final answer? Final answer of irreversibility will be equal to T0 into ds of universe. So df of universe will be written from here, and T0 means atmospheric temperature will be written from here, that is 300, plus you will write this question mark from here and you will answer like this, A. This is your numerical you have solved. Now the question is this: what is the actual meaning of the irreversibility? Because ultimately this is the loss of energy, na? If you feel this point, pressure, yes, very good Rama, very important point you have just asked. Very important point Rama has asked, sir, because it is the ideal gas equation, because it is the gas, and again there are three equations. If gas is filled in the chamber now, then there are three important equations we can use. One is pressure volume, pressure temperature and volume temperature. तो उसका question is, sir, why you have used only temperature and volume equation? So my dear, let me clear this point. If you will use pressure and temperature, then final pressure and temperature is not final. Pressure is not given to you, because after the expansion what is the final pressure, do you know? We don't know. That is the reason these three important equations of ideal gas in a system are given only for this particular purpose, so that your calculation will be minimized. If you will use pressure and volume equation, then you will calculate first of all final pressure. After that you will substitute the equation, you will substitute all the value. ग्रेट, परविंदर का बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आया, वेरी गुड परविंदर, बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन आया। सर जब सराउंडिंग इंसुलेटेड है तो उसका टेम्परेचर अंदर क्यों अफेक्ट कर रहा है? नो, अच्छा उसकी बात कर रहे हो, ओके ओके, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड वेरी गुड, लेट मी डिस्कस दिस पॉइंट। बहुत सही क्वेश्चन पूछा आपने। देखिए, जो आप इर्रिवर्सिबिलिटी की बात कर रहे हो, इर्रिवर्सिबिलिटी की, और यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंट्रोपी चेंज ऑफ यूनिवर्स, राइट? सो दिस थिंग, irreversibility or entropy change of universe, this is the loss of capability to do the work of energy which is available in the universe. So if you will do anything, within the system or out of the system, or within the room, out of the room, within the means you can take any example, ठीक है, जहां भी आप करो, that is the part of universe. So ultimately loss of availability, yes Rama, loss of availability, loss of exergy, loss of quality of energy is ultimately related to universe. That is the reason this is going to make a important role right? This is going to make an important role to check the irreversibility. This is the physical significance. If you want, or if you will ask me about the numerical solution, then again I have to go back on the topic of entropy, and I'll draw the TS diagram, I'll explain everything, okay? But my question is this, sir, you say, just try to feel this point. And I think your question, Parvinder, your question in this part will be clear. You say, sir, total internal energy in the free expansion of the system is not going to change. Rama, just a minute. You say the total internal energy, what is before the expansion and after the expansion, that is not going to change. So total energy initial of part A, and when it is expanded in part B, that will be the same. Total temperature in this process will be the same, and if it is the ideal gas, then it is also same. So my point is this, if initial and final energy is same, but again you say, according to this question, that there is the loss of irreversibility, there is the loss of energy in this sense, you say, sir, aapko nahi lag raha these two statements are contradictory statement? According to this, you can say total energy of the system remains same, and second you say there is the loss of energy due to irreversibility. And yes, both statements are right, and from this point I'll give you the exact feel of irreversibility and energy. Yes, of exergy and energy. Yes, can you make a difference between the same value of energy and loss of energy during the irreversibility? Just you need to write in the comment section yes or no. Just you need to write in the comment section. If you are able to write, then write yes and start to write. If you are not able to make the difference now, you need to write only no. Rama, आपका क्वेश्चन का आंसर तो माय डियर, रामा आपके क्वेश्चन का आंसर शायद परविंदर ने दे दिया है. वेरी गुड, ग्रेट परविंदर. एनीवन एल्स? With the practical approach, I'll give you the feel exact. Okay, come back to the point. When the system is stopped like this, this is a stopper. When the system is stopped like this, right? And again, if this system is replaced by some useful system, if free expansion or vacuum is replaced by some system, then definitely your piston will move. After removing the stopper, your piston will move in the outward direction, and it has the capability to do some work. Are you getting my point? System in the initial condition has the capability to do some work, but when it is expanded, then it will be reached at this point. Pressure will be lower, volume will be higher. So do you not feel the capability to do some work has been reduced? Are you getting or not? Capacity to do some mechanical work, to do some thermodynamic work has been reduced when it is expanded freely. Even the internal energy of the system is same. So total energy of the system is same, but again you need to focus on high quality of energy. So right now in the initial energy, quality of the energy is higher, but when it will reach at the second point, quality of the energy will be lower, means capability to do some work will be reduced. That is the loss of energy due to irreversibility. Are you getting my point? Very good. I think clear हो गया होगा सभी को. If you have just got this point physically, what is the, or I'll say U1 and U2 are same. This define the quantitative or the quantity of energy only, means quantity is not going to change, but irreversibility or loss of energy due to irreversibility will define the quality of the energy. And if you are the real thermal engineer now, then definitely you will feel that quality is more important than quantity. Even the quantity is also important, but quality is more important. If you have just got the exact idea, send me a fire symbol. Right now, वो fire होनी चाहिए, वो already from the first lecture I am telling you. Yes. If you have just got the exact physical significance of the irreversibility or loss of energy. Very good. Great Parvinder. Rama, have you got the idea? Yes. Try to solve question number next. Very good. Great. Try to solve next question. Great, Nishat. Absolutely right. You have got the idea. Good. बहुत सही. Next question. A gas power plant working on regenerative Brayton cycle. These are the points we generally skip during the conventional study or traditional study like notes revision and these all the points, right? Now these points we generally skip, my dear. Okay. Yes, very good, Rama. Great, Nisat. Yes, don't take more than 1 minute to solve this question. Correct. Don't take more than 1 minute to solve this question. Parvinder, I am quite happy that you are going to write the answer. Means you have a command on time also, right? To get the answer is a different thing, but to get the answer within the time limit is a different thing, right? Very good. You all are doing great. Yes, Omkar, great. C is the answer. Just यार have a competition between you also, right now कि हमको जल्दी आंसर देना और करेक्ट देना है, and the same competition you need to have in any particular exam at the time of exam in the examination hall, right? Very good, Spider-Man. Absolutely right, Spider-Man. Yes, absolutely right. Yes, C for Chennai is the right answer. Very good. I need not to discuss this answer. I need to write only one option, that regenerative efficiency is different from the simple Brayton cycle efficiency. Okay, simple Brayton cycle efficiency, that is T1 divided by T3 and R raised to gamma minus 1 upon gamma minus of 1. Okay, so from here the value of T1 is 300, T2 is 900, the value of R is equal to 5. When you will substitute the value, then you will get answer C for Chennai is the right. Very good, very good. Next, the Carnot cycle and Rankine cycle operate between same temperature limit. Then select the correct option. Select the correct option. Very good, Surya, great. Yes, Surya, you are just a little bit late. थोड़ा सा अपने को ऊपर आना है. Okay, yes, Rama, Spider-Man, Omkar. Yes. Take the correct answer. 14 according to Parvinder sir. V is the answer. Maybe. According to Parvinder sir, V is the answer. Anyone else? You say sir, V is the answer. V for Bombay is the right answer. Good. Surya, Nisad, what do you say? If you don't know, you can write in the comment section. Need to explain. Okay, Rama, V is the answer. Very good. Bombay, be honest with yourself. Don't write the answer from the comment section. Okay, Surya, great. Yes. So in this case, okay, Kumar, absolutely right. I want the answer from all of you. Yes, Omkar, absolutely right. Nisat, absolutely right. This is the TS diagram. When I'll draw the TS diagram of the Rankine cycle, then TS diagram of the Rankine cycle I'll draw. First of all, if you want to draw the Carnot cycle, then Carnot cycle must be in this region only. In this region only. So this one is the Rankine cycle. So if you want a rank, this 1, 2 and 3, 4 is the Rankine cycle. Okay. Like this, but this 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 and 4 is the Carnot cycle. When you will focus of area, this is the area of Carnot, and this entire area is the area of Rankine cycle. So number of points you can conclude, not only work done, you can feel the answer of entropy also. Low grade energy is supply in the Rankine cycle. So low grade energy is supply because the mean temperature during the heat supply in Rankine cycle is lower as compared to the Carnot cycle. So mean effective temperature is lower. So low grade energy of heat will be supplied in Rankine cycle. So efficiency of Rankine is lower, but work done of Rankine is higher. So conclude ऐसे करेंगे, efficiency of Carnot is higher than efficiency of Rankine, but the work done of Carnot is lower than the work done of Rankine. You will write like this. Even you will next point you will write like this. Then mean effective pressure mean effective pressure of Carnot is higher than mean effective pressure of Rankine, right? These number of point you can write, my dear. Okay. Yes. One more important point you must know: why the Carnot cycle is pure, in pure substance. What about the quality of steam in both the cycle? So means quality means if you will supply the heat at higher temperature. Okay. All of you need to listen this point. If you supply the heat at higher temperature, then quality of heat you are supplying higher. Okay. And if you will reject the heat at lower temperature, then you are rejecting the heat of lower quality. Lower quality means if you have the higher quality of heat with you now, then definitely it has the higher capability to do the work. Amount of work done will be higher. Okay. So this is the simple meaning. Higher quality of steam means steam नहीं. अच्छा, higher quality of steam आपने पूछा, sorry. Higher quality of steam means dryness friction. Higher quality of steam, maximum quality of steam is 1, minimum quality of steam is 0. If you say quality of steam is higher, means dryness friction is higher. Quality means quantity of vapor, saturated vapor. Lower quantity, quantity of, समझ गए होंगे आप. Yes, tick the answer fast. Tick the answer. The nozzle angle of Parsons reaction turbine is 20 degree. What is the efficiency of the? What is the efficiency? Nishat, I hope you have got the point. Yes, yes. नहीं मुझे quality of heat लगा वो. That is the reason I have explained. I could not read that statement. He asked about the quality of steam, right? And generally quality of steam is asked or is considered as an outlet of the turbine after the expansion process, right? So if we see the expansion process, that is 3 to 4, this is the same for both the turbine or for both the cycle. That is the reason for both the cycle steam quality will be the same. Okay, we'll not bother about the any other point. We only bother about the outlet of the turbine because steam quality affect the blade of the turbine at the outlet of turbine. Okay, that is the reason we always think about that point. Okay, yes, Omkar is the answer. Parvinder, you say V for Bombay is the answer. Maybe Parvinder, you say V for Bombay is the answer. Anyone else? Correct. These are the question which will confuse you. Okay, in the question it is written that it is the Parsons reaction turbine, or you can say it is the D-level turbine, or it is the impulse turbine, it is the perfectly reaction turbine. Number of formula are given to us. We need to select a proper formula, right, at the time. So maximum efficiency, if you will write, so maximum efficiency is generally written like this, that is cos square alpha. But this is not for the answer. This is for the impulse turbine only. This is for impulse turbine. When I write the actual value, then actual value, my dear, will be equal to 2 cos square alpha 1 plus of cos square alpha. When I calculate the answer, then answer is B for Bombay is the right answer. Bombay. Yes, Rama, Spiderman, Rajiv, absolutely Rajiv. Rajiv यार इतना लेट कैसे ज्वाइन हुए? Rajiv, good afternoon. Okay, okay. What do you mean by ideal machine? थोड़ा सा बात पे आ जाए उस पे. राजीव, थोड़े से क्वेश्चन कर लेते हैं. Yes, yes. Because already we are late, we need to complete this portion a little bit before. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा हो गया है. सर कितने आवर की क्लास है? This class was planned for this time, but again 2-3 question is left. That is the reason we'll discuss. If you are doubt, yes, hardly 10 to 15 minutes we will discuss. After that we will complete the session. Okay, yes. In a reciprocating compressor, a swept volume, clearance volume is given like this. Okay, gas at 1 bar 27 degrees centigrade is compressed in a polytropic process of polytropic index of 1.4 to 4 bar. The volumetric efficiency of the compressor is. Okay, Rajiv, you are Nepali, very good. You are going to write the GATE exam or you are coming to write the BARC exam? Because after 7 days there is the BARC exam. So you are preparing for GATE exam or means your country exam? Okay, 16D is the answer. Very good, Parvinder. You are very cute on this point, yaar. Great. Mohit, no need to delete the statement, yaar. Okay, very good. Yes, Rajiv. This is the session for the BARC exam and GATE exam. Okay, absolutely right. D4 Delhi is the answer. Okay, you all are asking the valid question. You are all are writing the important thing which are important for all other also. Okay. Yes. So you need not to delete any comment. So again, what is the efficiency? What is the efficiency of this one? Efficiency will be equal to, sorry, 1 minus clearance volume, sorry, clearance ratio, P2 upon P1 raised to 1 upon gamma minus of 1. If you will calculate the answer, you will get the exact answer. Clearance volume is equal to swept volume divided, clearance volume divided by swept volume. Okay. So if you will calculate the answer, you will get the exact answer is equal to D4 Delhi. Parvinder, absolutely right. Yes or no? Kumar, are you getting the same answer? Rama, very good, very good. Yes, correct. Don't take more than 1 minute to solve the answer. Don't take more than 1 minute to solve the answer. I think more than 1 minute is more than sufficient. Again, don't take more than 20 seconds to solve the answer. बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम हो जाएगा. Yes. Can you write the answer? Okay. Good. Great. Cascade refrigeration. This is the cascade now. So COP of overall cascade system we write always COP of 1. Good. COP of 2. I am expecting the answer of this question from all of you. 1 plus of COP of 1 plus of COP of 2. Okay. So answer in this case will be equal to, what is the right answer? B. B for Bombay is the right answer. Great. Yes, B for Bombay you have written. Absolutely right answer. Question number 18. You need to solve this question at home. This is your homework. Again, I'll suggest you need to solve these type of question. These questions are very easy question. Hardly you need to apply 1 to 2 line, but when you will see the pure substance question, then definitely you skip. You need to write only 1 to 2 line, you will get the answer. So I'll give you this question as a homework. Okay, Rama. Question number 19 and question number 20. Okay, Rama. Yes. Question number 19 and 20 you need to apply. Very good, Parvinder. You have already written A is the answer. Okay, most probably. It's just a guess. So again, there are two things to ask here. First of all, what is the total enthalpy of the dry air? First of all, total enthalpy of the dry air you need to calculate. Okay. So in this case, already in the formula series, I have discussed this question that total enthalpy is written like this: 1.005 into TD. TD means temperature of dry bulb temperature into W. W means humidity ratio, and this is 2500 plus of 1.88 TD. This formula we have already written. So to calculate the value of total enthalpy, first of all calculate what is the value of this value. This humidity ratio. This can be written like PV minus of PV. So in this case, this is 0.622 divided into PV is equal to, PV means already I have given to you that at dew point temperature, the pressure is PV, that is 0.02062. And again, what is the barometric reading? This is the barometric reading now. What is the barometric? 1.013 minus what is PV? We have already written 0.2062. So if I calculate, I'll calculate W from here. I'll substitute the W and TD in degree centigrade. Remember this point. TD in degree centigrade, that is 30. That is also 30. Then you will substitute W here. Then I think you will get the answer like this. That is, what is the right answer? Surya, Parvinder, what is the right answer? What is the right answer? I have not calculated this answer. You need to apply these both the formula, and you need to write what is the exact answer according to Parvinder. B is the answer. Okay, according to Parvinder, B for Bombay is the answer. Okay, 19. Yes, this is the last question. This question is again homework. Most twisted question. This type of question was also asked in ESC exam this year. Okay, Parvinder. According to Parvinder, previous question answer I have also given. I'll calculate. I'll share the entire solution in the Telegram channel. Yes. What is the correct answer of this question? What is the correct answer of this question? Humidity ratio is given, and I'll suggest to you, take this question as a homework, and I'll discuss the video. I'll share the video solution of this question in Telegram channel. My Telegram channel is Mechanical by Sonu Chauhan. You can join the Telegram channel. I'll share the video solution of this question, because this type of question was asked recently. So again, definitely there may be the chance. Okay. Yes, Surya. Okay. So again, the answer of this question is 27 degree, right? Let me explain. Okay. Yes, Parvinder, quite happy with you. Yes, absolutely right. 28. Yes, 27 degree is the right answer. Absolutely right. Great. Rama, Surya. So this is all about the session. From tomorrow, Dheeraj sir will start strength of material and machine design. The same quality of the question, like twisted number of question you will get in every day. So my dear, prepare entire subject, all the subject you need to attend, and last day complete marathon of the formula we will discuss. Okay. So thank you all. Take care. Bye bye. Just like the session, and I'll just share each and every topic. The PPT of the each and every topic in our Telegram session. Thank you all. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. And all the best for work. Study hard. Invest more number of time for the work. Right? Maximum to maximum. Solve number of question, my dear Ankit. Okay. Thank you, Parvinder. Give more time on the question solution and realization of the mistake. Okay. Give more time to analysis on your question paper, correct, when you will write the test series. Okay, thank you, take care, bye bye.